Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by stopping the flow, turn the sink shutoffs or the house main, then open the faucet to relieve pressure and drain water. Once done, slide a bucket and towels under the trap and lay a drop cloth to protect the cabinet. Make sure you have an adjustable wrench, channel locks, penetrating oil, and pliers ready. These let you break seized fittings and grip the pipe. You're now positioned to tackle the connection directly without wasting time on extra setup. Apply penetrating oil to the threaded joints and any rusty spots, then wait 5 to 10 minutes so the lubricant seeps in. Next, hold the stationary fitting with one wrench while you turn the nut counterclockwise with the other. This prevents twisting the supply lines. If a nut won't budge, tap gently, alternate tightening slightly then loosening, and reapply oil. Support the adjoining pipes to avoid stress on the plumbing. Then carefully peel away any old sealant. After the nut clears, pull the metal pipe straight out and inspect the threads for damage. Use a wire brush and towel to clean corrosion and debris. Once clean, fit new seals or a replacement pipe. Apply pipe dope or thread tape to the male threads to ensure a proper seal. Reassemble, restore water, and watch for drips at all joints. If you see a slow leak, tighten incrementally. If threads are damaged, stop and replace the fitting to avoid persistent failure.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.